Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the account that owns the Excel subscription because you cannot cancel a subscription from the wrong profile. Once signed in, navigate to Services and Subscriptions in the Microsoft account. This is where billing and active products are listed. Make sure to note the renewal date and any trial end dates, since those determine proration or refunds. If the subscription was purchased via iOS or Android app stores, pause here and switch to that store account to continue the process there. Once on the subscription page, find the Microsoft 365 or Excel line item and click Manage to expose cancellation options. You will see choices like Cancel, Turn off auto-renewal, or Request refund. Choose based on whether you want immediate termination or to keep access until the period ends. Follow each prompt carefully, because Microsoft often asks why you cancel. This affects offers and refunds. If an App Store purchase is involved, open App Store or Google Play, select Subscriptions, then locate Excel or Microsoft 365 to change settings. You finish by confirming the cancellation confirmation email and noting the final access date. Save that email and any confirmation number. If you see an unexpected charge after canceling, immediately collect receipts, screenshots of your subscription page, and the confirmation message, because you will need them when contacting support. Next, contact Microsoft Account Support or the App Store's billing team depending on where you purchased. If support cannot resolve a wrongful charge, open a dispute with the payment provider as a last resort. This solves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.